Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to restore an accidentally closed tab in Google Chrome. This process can be replicated in almost any web browser, but I thought I'd do a brief video about Google Chrome because I know it seems pretty straightforward once I show it to you guys, but some of you guys might not be aware of it. Like if we're trying to open up a new tab here and we accidentally close out of our existing tab. So let's just say that exact scenario happens and I'm trying to open up a new tab and I accidentally close out of this web page and I have regrets and I would like to reopen that. You can do that. So anyways, you're going to move up to the top bar here above the address bar and you want to right click on some blank space up here. Please note if this option is grayed out, it can mean one of a few different things. On one hand, you might have accidentally closed out of your entire web browser window, and you obviously cannot restore a tab if you've closed out of the window. It can also mean you are in incognito mode, in which Google supposedly does not keep track of your browsing history, which we all know is not really true, but for the gist of this tutorial, it won't let you restore back another tab you might have closed out of. The top bar would appear gray if it was in incognito mode. As of this recording, I don't know if they're going to change the color of incognito mode eventually. And the final thing is perhaps you just have to right click on the top bar again. I find sometimes the first time it doesn't show you anything. So just click out of it and then right click on it again, and hopefully it will not be grayed out if you met all of the conditions that I just went through. So with that out of the way, just left click on reopen close tab. You could also hold down the Control Shift T key on your keyboard as well if you are more of a keyboard user. So you left click on that and we can see our tab has reopened. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.